In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails from HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll be able to sign in, find the right contact, compose a professional email, and send it with confidence, all without leaving your CRM. Start by heading to the HubSpot login page and signing in. If your account uses single sign-on, choose Sign In with Google and select your Google account. Complete any prompts you see, and make sure you're entering the correct workspace if you have access to more than one. Once you're in, look for the CRM area from the main navigation. This is where you'll manage your relationships and communication. Next, open Contacts. Here you can use the search bar or filters to find the person you want to email. It helps to double check that the contact record shows a valid email address and that they haven't opted out of communication. If you see any warnings about bounces or unsubscribes, address those before proceeding. Click into the contact's record to open their timeline. At the top of the activity panel, choose Create an Email. This launches HubSpot's email composer. If you've previously connected your inbox, your from address should populate automatically. If not, HubSpot may prompt you to connect an email account so your messages send reliably and you can track opens and replies. Enter a clear, relevant subject line. Aim to keep it concise and specific to the value of your message. If your portal supports personalization, you can insert the contact's first name or company to make it more engaging. In the message body, write your email just as you would in a normal mail client. Keep the tone human and helpful, and reference any recent interactions you see on the contact's timeline for context. Use the formatting toolbar to add links, lists, or simple emphasis, and attach files if needed. Before you send, take a moment to adjust the settings. Confirm the from address and signature, add CC or BCC as appropriate, and choose the right association so the email logs to the correct record. If your account supports it, you can enable tracking, log the email to the CRM timeline, and even schedule the send for a later time. These small tweaks help with deliverability and reporting. When everything looks good, click Send. You'll see the email appear on the contact's timeline, which makes it easy to review the thread and track engagement later. That's all there is to it. Repeat the process for any other contact you need to reach, and you'll keep all your communication organized directly inside HubSpot.